Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back again. I got another unboxing and a setup video for you today. I'm in my kitchen today. I'm gonna show you a little something that you might be interested in. It's very nice. Well, let's get to it. We got an Amazon package that came in today right here. I already know what it is, but let's unbox it and see what we got. And by the title, you probably already know. Let's get this baby open and see what's going on here. Let me get my camera angle right first. Amazon, you know it's Amazon when you see that arrow. Let's open this baby up. And that's right, you guys, today we have the Wyze color bulb. This is a smart bulb. Both of these are Wyze smart bulb. These smart bulbs change different colors, and you link it to an app. Check this out, you guys. The Wyze bulb right here. You have 16 colors. 16 colors. The color temperature goes up to 1800 K to 6500 kilohertz, 1100 lumens, 75 watts. Dimmable. You can dim these lights. You can set timers. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant. They work with if then this that. If you guys know about if then this that, that's the automated where you have automated posts going on. Multi-bulb capability. So there it is. There's the bulb. If then this that. It works with Alexa and Google. Estimated energy cost $1.45 a year. Brightness 1100 lumens. Let's open this box up and see what one of the bulbs look like. I do have a lamp right here. We're going to set everything up and test it out. So if you want to get some color in your room without all the hassle or running all those LED lights all over the place, just get yourself 2 bulbs, 2 lamps, or you can do 3 or 4 bulbs, and you all set. I call a deal with this. Amazon had a deal going on, so make sure you click that link in the description so you can get your deal with them. This is the Wyze bulb color, 16 million colors, and it's dimmable. Whoa, let's open this baby up real quick. I don't have my knife with me, so I guess I'm gonna just use my fingernail. Once you open this baby up, they wrap them real nice, and just pop it out. Make sure I don't break it. Ooh, yes, sir. Oh, they come in a little cover, a little case. I like this. Ooh, boy, look at that, you guys. There it is. Ooh, ooh. Feel like the top of my head bald. Ah, Wyze color bulb. That's how the bulb looks. Just like a regular light bulb, but if you know, this is not a regular light bulb. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this bulb. I'm going to screw it in. Now, I'm not sure if this is on. You know, my wife, I got this from my wife's room, so I'm not sure whether it's on, but we're going to plug this up. But that's it. Let's do this. Let's read the instructions. I got 2 of them, but I'm just going to do one just to show you guys how it works. Basically, you got the instructions here, and you also have a QR code. Make sure the power is off when you install or remove the light bulb. Do not use this product with a dimmer. Don't use it with a dimmer. You heard what I said? Do not use this product with a dimmer on your light switch. Do not use a narrow pore revealing light. Okay. Bingo. There we go. Let's plug this up. Hopefully she don't have this on already, but let's plug this up. Oh, okay. I did the initial plug-in. Looks like it's it's changing colors. Check it out. Can you see it? Make sure can you see the different colors? Yeah, there we go. Green, orange. Oh, there's green. Okay, there's off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, because I'm actually put this in my basement. So let's see how we do it. See, it says set up with Alexa. Okay. My Wi-Fi should be pretty fast here. So let's download this Wyze app. It says do that first before we can add it to Alexa. I'll probably do an edit in this just to get through this real quick. Open this up. But you can add this to your Ring doorbell. Oh, we gotta sign in, make an account, and do all of that. Okay. All right, you guys, I set up my account. Now. So what I'm gonna do now is say new device, power and lighting. So we're gonna do power lighting. This is a Wyze bulb color. Wyze bulb color. So we're gonna click on that. Screw in your bulbs. Pulsating me. Okay, this means there are paramount. Okay, new lights. New lights will be pulsating immediately. Okay, this if your lights aren't there, turn them on and off 3 times. Okay, we're gonna hit next. Okay, allow your location. Allow Bluetooth access. Okay, you gotta turn on Bluetooth. Why? So you see Wyze bulb color. So once you pair with Wyze bulb color, you hit next. Oh man, you gotta do the network. Okay, hold on. So now, once you link up to your Wi-Fi, then it sees the Wyze color bulb there. So you hit next. Connect it to your lights. Okay, there we go. It's connected. It's connected to my bulb. Now, right now it's on green. So let's see what we do. Okay, choose an icon. Okay, so I like the bulb icon. Color bulb 1. Okay, so we're gonna do it like that. So we come back over here. Congratulations, you earned a badge. Oh yeah, not now. Okay, yeah. I just want to know about this. Okay, right now it's on, right? Oh, you guys can't see it. Wait a minute. All right, now you can see it. So right now it says the bulb on. So I'm going to hit this button right here to turn it off. Did it turn it off? Oh, I said off. Firmware upgrade. Oh my God. Now they talking about update. Oh man, okay. So now we gotta do an update. This thing, okay. But will reboot when the upgrade finishes. So you gotta upgrade, you gotta update your bulb, you guys. So that's the first thing you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to update your bulb. So you got that going on. Update your bulb. All right, you guys, I'm back. I got both the bulbs hooked up. The update actually took like almost probably 30 minutes. So I definitely don't like that. It takes about 30 minutes per bulb. But we got the number 2 ready to go. So that's the on and off switch right there. So I hit that. That turns the light on. If I go inside there, you'll see right now it's on the color, the temperature. So right now, if I wanted to go to red, I could go to yellow. Make sure you guys can see that real good. Let's say I wanted to go to blue, green, or I can move it around different colors, white, like that. Also, they've got presets in here too. So if you could take a look at these presets, they got scenes of night. You can have a night light. You can have it cozy. If you want energy, you can take it down to energy. You want gaming, you have gaming. Movie time, you can take it to blue for movie time. Meditation, you can have it for meditation. All different types of sceneries, you can have it. Or you can have a regular bright. So either red, just like that. So there you go, you guys. That's the whole setup. Make sure you guys definitely check these out. Let me turn on the light so you can see. I had to come down to the basement to finish this up. But let me turn on the big light now. Just So you can see it, but make sure you guys definitely check this out. This is the Wyze color bulb right there. Let me actually bring you guys to the big screen now. All right, got you guys back on the scene. Got it hooked up. I'm in the process of hooking my basement up for my little entertainment session, but make sure you guys check it out. It's the Wyze color bulb. You know, as always, I will have a link in the description below. Check them out. Got a good deal on it. So make sure you click on that link so you can get a great deal on them right now. Very affordable. You know, so if you don't want to run all those LED lights all over the place, just get some bulbs. Plus, you can move the bulbs all around the house wherever you want, in the bedroom, basement. You definitely would like these better than running all those LED lights all over the place. And you can control it with the app. Those LED lights, you got to get a remote control. This one you can control with the app. So that's what I'm talking about. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to see you on the next one.